AI is only as good as the training data that you have in there. It basically mimics the training data. So in pre-training, these AI models are trained on a lot of the internet data. But what you need to do is you need to post-train with humans. So you need humans, whether they're generalists or whether they're experts in particular domains, to be able to rate and rank the output, the answers of these models. And then you use that to further train the model. So the models learn and they become more accurate, but also they start to align with how humans think, the real world context, and human values. So the human part in the equation is essential for the models to move from sort of this pre-training all the way through to post-training and then actually to be useful in deployment. If you're rolling out something globally, you want to work with a partner that has at least 3 different capabilities that you're going to apply to your testing. So number 1 is you need scale and diversity. You could be testing languages in Southeast Asia. You could be testing niche demographics in the US. You need a partner that's able to pull those teams together and be able to do that testing very rapidly. You also need a partner that can bring the experts to the table. So whether it's medical, legal, CFOs, we have that capability in our community. We pull expert communities together very quickly. Then the third capability is you need to be able to do this at speed and high quality. So the velocity that we're seeing in software development around agents and agentic workflow is faster than we've ever experienced before. The bar for quality is very, very high. You need a partner that you know and trust is going to deliver you the quality results.
Red teaming is a critical component to responsible AI, and it's something that every industry needs to take seriously. It's geared toward ensuring there is no toxic language or harmful language, bias, inaccuracies, and other discriminations. Applause employs qualified personas to actually perform adversarial attacks on your product to identify whether these risks exist, to validate that products are ready to be released into production so that these unwanted behaviors aren't included within your product.
There's a couple of different ways in which we conduct evaluations. One is through pure human feedback. Another one is through what's called LLM as a judge. It's a hybrid approach where we have AIs that are critically looking at the outputs of these models and comparing it against a ground truth data set. Any deviation or any outliers that are found are kicked out for a human in the loop to ultimately evaluate. Companies can ensure sustained reliability of their AI evolving models by making sure that they are implementing continuous feedback loops, just like with any other type of testing. I think the other important factor is making sure that you have an iterative approach to your evaluations and any of your red teaming to make sure that the systems are safeguarded at all turns.